This is the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, the dryer that everybody wants to get their hands on right now. It's a dryer that will help prevent extreme heat damage and protect natural hair shine. It offers ultra-fast drying with controlled high-velocity airflow. The temperature is measured 20 times per second as you're blow drying your hair, which will ensure that your hair is safe and won't burn. Unlike other dryers, the motor in this dryer is in the handle, which rebalances the weight so it will be more comfortable on your arm. You'll never get tired. There are 4 heat settings, 3 airflow settings, a cold shot ionizer, and a removable filter at the bottom for lint and to keep it clean. Another great feature about this dryer that I really love is the detachable nozzles. Now they're magnetic. It has a wide nozzle. There's a narrow nozzle for when you want to zoom in on sections. And then there's the diffuser. So if you want a dryer that works in seconds, is easier to manage, and keeps your hair healthy, this is the one for you.